In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save all open tabs to reopen anytime in Microsoft Edge. This can be incredibly handy when you're doing research or working on multiple projects and want to revisit all your tabs later without missing a beat. So let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First things first, you'll want to right click on any open tab in your Microsoft Edge browser. By doing this, you open up a menu with a range of options that can help you manage your browsing session. Now from that menu, look for and click on the option that says Add all tabs to favorites. This option is a powerful tool that allows you to save your current browsing session with just a couple of clicks. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a destination for saving your tabs. Here, you have the option to save them in an existing folder or create a new one. For the sake of organization, I recommend creating a fresh folder, perhaps naming it something like saved session, or another label that clearly indicates the content or purpose of these tabs. Giving clear names to your folders can save you time and eliminate future guesswork when you want to access these tabs again. Once you've chosen or created the appropriate folder, go ahead and click Save. This step finalizes the process and all your currently open tabs will be bookmarked and stored in the folder you've selected. So here you effectively capture a snapshot of your browsing session. Now it's time to see how to get back to those saved tabs whenever you wish to revisit them. To reopen your session, you'll want to click the favorites icon, which is typically located in the top right corner of the browser. Alternatively, for those who prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus O. This command opens the favorites pane, giving you direct access to all of your bookmarks. Within this pane, navigate to the folder where you've saved your session. Once you've located it, simply open the folder and right click on it. From the context menu that appears, you can choose either Open All to launch all the tabs in your current window, or Open All in New Window if you'd like to keep them separate from your existing sessions. Just like that, all your bookmark tabs are back and ready for you to continue where you left off. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to save and restore all your open tabs in Microsoft Edge. This feature is a game changer for productivity and ensures that you can jump back into your browsing sessions with ease. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.